Emily just made us bacon buddies with egg. So we're Emily's best friend at the moment. Hamish has been asleep for 2.5 days. The instructions from the big man is to attach the defibrillator to his nuts. And I said that wasn't very nice, not very sort of team spirited, but he said, go do what he's told. So Hamish, there's no good news for you, buddy.
Defibrillator here, so I'll put it on and I suspect it will say shock of eyes.
Otherwise we've got to put a rest in peace notice up on them. I don't want to hurt them.
Worked out quite well.
Beautiful.
Here we are on well, how many days into this? Ridiculous. It's not big, it's
Day 27.
humongous adventure. Thanks for sucking us in.
Wait till he gets to the account.
You know he can't afford our services.
Well, yeah.
I mean, the sandwiches I'm prepared to let go, but those double rub downs, those aren't going to come cheap.
Yeah.
You actually watch those videos, Des? That's so funny.
I'm sure in my contract it didn't say rub my butt wearing a red
I
Borat.
think that's why he's getting
I would have noticed.
He's actually been there since
Yeah. Where's his toes?
2 days ago.
Wednesday.
Where's his toes?
He's moved.
Why is he sleeping with his legs up?
I think that's rigor mortis. He's never been an attractive man.
He's not got anyone out of it. Hamish.
Hamish,
Yeah, but you're only saying that because he doesn't appear to you.
I don't think that is fit for publication, that is.
Let's get you fuckers moving.
How do you feel after 2.5 days?
Smell my feet and get moving. Oh, yeah.
I gave it a wee blast. He wakes up.
Have you been asleep, Hamish?